Hi everybody, this is a great day. I'm going to tell everybody why. Everybody's heard of the Special Olympics, and if you haven't, it's a great, wonderful thing that helps special kids. Here in Chicago, and I guess it's all over the country, we do a special duck derby. And what the duck derby is, there's these beautiful little ducks. And people buy them and they go to, you adopt them actually, you don't get to keep the duck, you adopt it. And they throw them in the river and somebody gets the winning duck. Now what happens is, the Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana Chevrolet dealers, along with the Special Olympics, have donated this beautiful brand new Equinox, and the winner of the Duck Derby gets this beautiful truck. There is a winner, there's always a winner. And right behind me is the Schwartz family. That's right there. They won this car, they had the fastest duck. Now I'm not a gambler, but if I was, I don't know, maybe I'd pick the fastest horse, maybe the fastest car. No, I'm just joking. But anyway, I congratulate you, the Special Olympics congratulate you, and most importantly, the Chevrolet Homewood family, along with the Northwest Indiana Chevrolet dealers and the Chicagoland area Chevrolet dealers, congratulate you. Now here at Chevrolet Homewood, we do something special for all our new car buyers generally, but I think winners are just as good. Derek, would you help us out with this, please?
Absolutely. On behalf of Chevrolet Homewood and the Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana dealership of Chicago, Chevrolet would like to congratulate you on your new Chevy Equinox.
Congratulations, and congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much for the donation. Great people, thank you for helping out in our Duck Derby. Who gets the key?
I think I'll pay.
You get the key?
That's good.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you.
In their neighborhood, Smart Shopper Shop Chevrolet of Homewood.